are my good friends from Citizen.
Citizen.
No, it was...
Citizen. Where are they? Hawako?
No, it's okay. Yes.
Congratulations on your win, Mr. President. My name is Brenda Wanga from Citizen TV. I know you have said you will give a comprehensive statement a little bit later on what you intend to do in your first 100 days. You've said that in your manifesto before, but I know most of us are quite concerned and would like to know what your plans are in regards to fighting graft. That has been quite a big issue during this campaign. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. I think it's a fair question. And how is my good friend Letoo, by the way? And say hello to Chemutai Goinchi. So